Guys, this is the home. This is model even. One thing I've noticed, guys, is this door is massive. This height is probably 15 feet, really tall. And I really like that they have this cover before you enter the house. You have your seating arrangement here, right? Really nice patio here or entrance. Love the stonework here. And we're gonna tour this home. Let's do this. Knock, knock. Right, guys, this is the home. Wow, look at this, guys. Really bright. And we are going to the right side first. Look at this beautiful first floor. Of course, this is a single story, so there is no second floor, but it has its own ensuite. I'm looking at it, guys. Look at this ensuite. Hello, guys. Really nice flooring also. And then you have your, oh, okay, it's a Jack and Jill. Hello, guys. Because there is another bedroom here. Look at that, right? There's another bedroom there. So it's a Jack and Jill, but the good thing is it has its own separate sink. And look at this massive walk-in closet here, really massive. All right, this is a nice spacious bedroom, right? Look at the window, it's very big. All right, so we're gonna go on this side of the bedroom, which is also a secondary bedroom that shares the Jack and Jill that we saw a while ago, this one, right? So it's very convenient. They have their own sink and storage space, and you can close this and you can still use your sink. Wow, I love this setup here, Jack and Jill, right? And then we go here and you have this walk-in closet, which is really nice. All right, Raiders fan, please comment down below. Show your support, right? This is for you guys. This is the bedroom that they have made for Raiders fan. So that's your secondary bedroom. There's a mini bar area here, which you can probably store your linen or your towels as well. And then this is a massive half bathroom. Look, guys. Again, these cabinetry, guys, are already included in the price. The only upgrade that they said was included in most homes, model homes, are the flooring and the backsplash. We're gonna check first what's happening with your garage, because we saw a while ago it has a huge door, so I'm expecting this is massive. Wow, you can definitely put a basketball court here. Look at my sound, it's like echoing because of the massive ceiling height here, guys. You can put like an RV parking here, no doubt, like a bus, literally like a bus. You could put a basketball court, indoor swimming pool, if they allow, right? This is massive for this particular home. This is unknown to me. Like, this is the first time I've seen such a model home with such a big garage. And look at that door, guys. You have an opening on the door there. And look at the sunlight that are coming from those windows. This is literally massive, guys. This is 20 feet, I believe, the height. So that's your garage door. or garage. All right, guys, we are checking the main living area. Look at this, guys. Right? Very open. And you have your dining, living, and kitchen. You can literally talk to anyone here without any hindrances or blockages. Look at this kitchen, guys. I'm gonna go on this side. This is a very, very elegant kitchen. You have that light cabinetry there. Again, guys, they said that cabinetry and the countertops are already included in the price. The only thing that they've upgraded normally in model homes are the floorings and the backsplash. So for example, this backsplash here, the white one, these are upgrade, but the countertop is already included. So that's really nice, right? And also the appliances, guys, are already included. I'm spanning from this side of the house so that you can check how open it is. That bright, what do you call this? This glass door here makes it even brighter. I'm gonna span one more time on this floor. Look at how open it is. This is a massive area here, guys. Right? I also like the choice of their furniture, very comfy. We're gonna go out to the backyard soon, but let's span here first so that you can check how beautiful this open floor plan is from each corner of this home. Right? That is the door that we entered a while ago. Right? This is a very open area. And we haven't checked yet the pantry area, so let's do that. Let's check out the pantry area here quickly, guys. This is your pantry area. Really massive. You can store 1 year supplies here, no doubt. Okay, this is your dining. Let's check out what's happening on the backyard, right? Hopefully we can go up. Ooh. All right, yes, we were able to open it. You know, this is not a huge lot, but definitely, guys, if you want a bigger lot, a pool-size lot, you may want to upgrade, right? For the lot premium. I can ask the builder how much is the lot premium if you comment down below. But I like that they already have this patio cover here. Right, nice palm trees to have. And this is your side entrance. And this is how it looks like from this side of the home. So basically, these are not true grass. These are just pretty much, those are like not natural grass because we are preserving water here in Las Vegas. Very important, guys. We have to combine our efforts towards conserving water. So that's the reason why the grass is not natural. It's actually easier to maintain, but it looks still great. Okay, let's check out what's happening on, I think this is the main living area. I mean, sorry, like the owner's bedroom. Let's see. Before that, ooh, this is massive, guys. Definitely massive. This is your laundry area. It looks like a bedroom, right? In New York, I've seen like the smallest apartment in New York, and it looks like this space here. You can actually do bathtub here for the dog if the builder allows you to put something there to wash your dog inside. And then there is this another coat closet here. This is a huge laundry area. Since it's near the owner's bedroom, You may want to put like an insulated wall around this, guys, and then also an insulated door. All right, let's do this. Let's check the owner's bedroom. Look at this, guys. I think they purposely made this a little bit darker, or it's just because it's raining outside. That's the reason why it looks darker here. But look at the wallpaper here, guys. Really nice. It's a very nice wallpaper. It almost feels like you're in a hotel room here, like an elegant hotel room. Okay, let's check out your owner's bathroom. Hello, guys. Double sink there. This is your toilet area. Again, guys, this cabinetry and countertops are included. The only upgrade that they did is the flooring. But they told me that the flooring upgrade is just mid-tier. That means it's not too expensive. This is a nice glass here. And you can always upgrade this if you don't like. I like the frosted glass. You don't have to worry about people looking at you while you're doing your bathroom situation. Look at your owner's closet. This is really nice. Not the biggest, but at the same time, I think you can put some cabinetry here. Yeah, you can put some cabinetry here. You still have some linen space there. Hello, guys. Really nice configuration here. This is your master again, or owners. All right. And we're back to the main living area. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really appreciate it. Please comment down below what you think of this home. I'd really appreciate any feedback, any comments. Would love to hear your comments, guys. And as I mentioned a while ago in the introduction, the builder is already offering thousands of incentives. So if you wanted to know more about that, please comment down below and I'll be able to share some information to you. And also, don't forget to check out my channel page. There's a lot of videos there that you might enjoy. Again, thank you so much for your support. The channel is growing. And until next time, have a great and amazing day.